Hi there, my name is Tony, and I'm going to walk you through setting up Crafter CMS on your local computer and then connecting it to an existing project already in place in a remote Git repository. We're going to start from scratch by downloading Crafter itself. We'll visit craftercms.org and click on Downloads. And there are a number of binaries available. We'll take Crafter CMS authoring.zip. The zip file is several hundred megabytes, so I've already downloaded a copy of it. We'll just start with that. We'll start by unzipping, and we'll start it up. Just run startup, and it will go through the bootstrapping process, downloading critical dependencies and starting them all up. Next, we will tail the log file. You can see there's actually a path to it directly here. You can just copy this command. And as this is the first time we've run Crafter, it will take some time to download and bootstrap all the required components. Once this is finished, we can access it through a browser. It looks like we're available on port 8080. And we'll go to the studio. Log in with the default username and password of admin. And the next step is to create a site using the name that we're going to use from the Remote Git repository. So you need to know what that site is. This is mine. It doesn't matter what blueprint you choose. Great. So the site has been created, but now we need to replace this with our content. So we're going to log out, and we'll just leave it here for a moment. And now what we're going to do is we're going to actually download clone our remote site. So if you look inside the Crafter folder, you see there's a data subfolder, and we have a repository folder. In here, we have the sites that we were creating. There's the La Boutique site. And inside La Boutique, we have two subfolders. And if you look inside the sandbox subfolder, this is your authoring environment. You can see that it's actually already a Git repository. This is a new one that's just been created for us. We're going to replace this Git repository with a clone of our remote. And then we need to rename this to Sandbox. We can see that it looks the same directory structure as before, which is great. And we'll go back to Crafter, log in as admin, and we can see that our site is still there. We're going to go to the dashboard. And that's the standard dashboard. And we can expand the Pages node and click on the home page. And there we have it. Our sample site is now ready to go, and we're able to access and work with and push changes from our local Crafter install directly up to GitHub.